Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, you may have remembered a few weeks ago I had made an announcement about the release of my brand new Kitchen Instruments Artisan Soaps. So you may have remembered when I did the announcement, I also announced that we were going to do a giveaway and whoever won would win a free bar of my Artisan Soaps. Now all you had to do to enter was subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, as well as comment down below #BestSoapEver. Now, it's been a few hectic weeks since I made the announcement, but we finally have a winner. So congratulations to the Colt Fun channel. Congratulations, Colt. Now, I'm going to be sending you a private message so you can let me know what bar of Kitchen Instruments custom artisan soap that you would like, as well as where to send it. Now, if you're curious as to where you can get your hands on your own bar of Kitchen Instruments custom artisan soaps, you can actually go to my website at www.kitcheninstrumentsonline.com, and they'll be available within the next week or two on the website. And once again, a big congratulations to the Cold Fun channel. Good job on winning the contest. You did it. You did it. And if you guys haven't already, please go check out his channel. Like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. It'll mean the world to him. It'll be a great 2021 present for him, I'm sure. Well, as always, thank you guys for stopping by. And we here at Kitchen Instruments want to wish you guys a very, very happy new year. And a big thank you to all the support you guys have given the channel, getting us monetized, everything. I mean, it's been a very spectacular year for us. We did a lot of growth. So I'm hoping the same for you guys. So by all means, stay safe, accomplish those goals, stick to those New Year resolutions, and I'll see you guys next time.